not afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad and know, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you want me to, first let me shout out Phoenix742. He is the guy. Go give some love to his channel. Yeah, let's get right into this video. I forgot to say that you can tell me whatever you want me to do in the comments below, because I said, hold on one second, shout out to Phoenix742, because, hey guys, let's start this. I just started the recording, so let's, oh crap, he stole my shotgun. Okay, I'm gonna run over to this hut over here and get this SMG and kill this guy. Just kidding, it's a lobby. And, I'm gonna see if, oh, headshots for days. Okay, 95 people. 95 people left. 0 kills. 160 damage. 120. Oh, body shot. Okay, okay, 7 seconds. And then we're gonna go to, let's see. Break this guy's builds, because I'm a jerk. Okay, I'm going to, let's go to Dusty. Yeah, Dusty. Okay, once we land there, we're gonna try and find a gun, any kind of gun. See if we can get up to 5 kills, just to see. Okay, okay, we're going to Dusty. Oh, well, never mind. I'm gonna land at Dusty Diner. I'm gonna land at the little shop part where, yeah, right here. See if I can find a kill, or find a gun, not a kill. Oh, chest. Ooh, it burst purple. Epic. Bandages? Nah. Oh, crap, a default. Oh, headshot. Kill him. Ooh, kill him. Okay, ammo crate. Let me grab the ammo. And then let's go over here. Shotgun ammo. Run over here and get this heavy ammo and chest. Ooh, purple scar. Best loot I've gotten all day. Okay. Run over here, get the ammo for this blue pump. And, make my way upstairs, see if there's a chest. And then hey, did I hear somebody? No, I didn't. I'm good. You get this big pot. Oh, I hear a chest. I'm gonna go over here and get it real quick. See if oh, okay, there it is. Okay. Just to let y'all know, I'm gonna find, oh, here's the chest, okay. Okay, ooh, another big pot. Oh, pump. New pump. Okay. I'm gonna go over here. Camp. Drink my both big pots. And then wait for somebody to come to me, because I'm gonna camp. Redoing my HUD to see if I can do it. Okay. I hear somebody. Oh, they're on top of me. Okay. Now I just gotta wait for him. He might drop down a little bit. Okay, oh crap, there he is. Let me see if I can jump up and shoot him. Oh, I missed. Dang it. Then he's gonna come behind me. Oh, I missed. Headshot, no. There's the headshot. There we go. Oh. Ah, I'm at 58 health. See if he had any bandages. Oh, I picked him up already. Never mind. Pick up his minis. Bandages, never mind. Pick up them up first and go use them. And then I use the 2 minis to get high enough so I can actually survive a gunshot. Okay. Let me get the minis and go use them. Okay, drink the 2 minis and let's go. Oh, I hear somebody else. They're walking. Oh, he's up top. Okay, let me shoot at this airplane, see if I can hit this guy. No, it doesn't look like it. It got too far away. If he was up close, I would be able to. Okay, let's see. I want to build over to this other side. Wait, I hear somebody. Oh, well, stairs didn't help very well. Okay, I hear him. I think he's on the other building. Let's see. Redoing my HUD. Okay. Let's see. Okay, okay. Let me build up. Okay, let me... Wait, why isn't mine build? Oh, there we go. Okay, it's building up now. Okay. And then I'm gonna build up one more time. No, I'm gonna use campfires. Oh, never mind, I'm getting shot at. Oh, crap. I'm gonna die. Oh, yes, that hole saved me. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna build up one more. Build walls. Oh, crap. He has a stupid, whatever that's called, Porta Fortress. And, I'm going to, guess I'm just gonna camp. Oh, nope, never mind. I'm just gonna go out and try to kill him. See if I can get him dub. And, I'm gonna go up here, see if I can kill him. Okay. Shoots me, and then he kills me on the way down. Dang it. Okay, that works too. Okay, that works. Hey guys, what's up? I'd like you to like the video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye.